Hi my lovelies, let us cook banga soup. This time around we are making it with a twist because we want to repurpose certain ingredients. We also want to enjoy a meal that we shouldn't be having in this season, particularly because it's oily and the weather is cold. So we do not need to be taking something cold, something that oily now, but we will find a way of balancing the ingredients in such a way that it will still fit into what our body needs and what our taste bud wants. You get what I mean? Let's cook, please. Let's cook. So this is just a rundown of all that we're using for this soup, and the major thing is the palm nut concentrate, which is the banga front. I'm not being paid for that ad, but it's all right. And then I have the Kem's Banga spice. Those are like the star ingredients for the recipe. But we also have the Banga saint leaf. And like I said, I'm having a twist to it. There's bitter leaf, there is meat stock, there is prawn, tiger prawn, and there is assorted meat. This is Banga spice, and this is pepper soup spice, all from Kem, the staple of Kem's store. That is cooked beef. Every meat here is already cooked, by the way. That is cooked meat, and I'm also going to blend the sweet pepper and the habanero pepper into it. That is a ball of onion, a very, very large one. We need that flavor. And then this is another twist. We have this marinated head, tail, and middle fried of fish. So everything together: fish, assorted prawn, onions, cooked meat, banga concentrate. That is our peppers and chili, and that's our banga leaf. That is our bitter leaf, and that is our meat stock. And then this is the spices: banga spice and Kem's pepper soup spice. So like I said, we'll have to twist it because we shouldn't be taking this much of oil at this time of the year, but we need to satisfy our taste buds, and as well our body remains healthy, right? So yeah, let's cook now. So the first thing we're doing is to deconcentrate our palm fruit and also mix our leaf in hot water to get it ready to be cooked because it's very dry. So once we do that, we dissolve our concentrate very well to make sure it is completely light. It's time to cook now. So first thing first is to put in our leaf on the fire. Because it's really dry, we need to cook it properly. First of all, that's a caution. And then the next thing is we need to ensure that there's no sand coming along with it. And the next item is our palm fruit. It's already deconcentrated and dissolved, if you might say. So now we are going to season it as well with some seasoning cube, crayfish, black pepper, and salt. So we're only using the crayfish, seasoning cube, and salt here. Once that is done, we cover our pot, and then we have to add our seasoning. That's the banga seasoning, banga and pepper soup seasoning. That's to prepare our stock. So we melt everything properly, and then we cover our pot and allow it to cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes, right? So let's go on. So next thing we're going to do is to blend our pepper mix. We have a big bowl of pepper, big bowl of onion. We have at least 4 to 5 pepper here, and we have 1 chili. Ideally, this is actually banga pepper soup, and you would understand why eventually. So once that is done, you can see our stock is relatively boiled and cooked. Next thing is to put our meat in it because we have quite a little more process to go. So everything would cook together. We'll mix our fish in the stock, and then pour in the blended pepper. The blended pepper is not too smooth and not too rough, just so that it would meet the other ingredients halfway. So we're now putting in our meat, and we're also putting in our assorted because they're frozen so that everything can cook at the same time. And in 10 minutes, voila, everything has boiled properly and it is looking the part. So if you want the regular banga soup, this is where everything stops, to be honest. But we are trying to do something different here. We're trying to achieve banga pepper soup. So I'm going to introduce a little more liquid into it and let it cook some more so that all the flavors can blend together. And then once that is ready, we will finish it up with a little touches here and there. So now once the water is in, I'm going to cover it again and allow it to cook properly. So in another 10 to 15 minutes after cleaning up, our soup is ready. But we can't finish up without doing some final touches, can we? So I'm adding some cooked prawns here, and I'm also going to finish it with black pepper. This is not the regular black pepper, this is Cameroon pepper. Remember, we're achieving something spicy. So we mix everything thoroughly, and you can see our banga pepper soup is ready. Are you feeling this? Are you loving it? Is this something you want to try? I'm tasting it and it is giving me everything I have wanted. It's giving, is giving, is giving. And so for the benefit of those who have stayed this long, in the absence of starch, which is the traditional swallow for banga soup, we're going to be using poundo. After all, we've already broken so many rules in making the banga pepper soup, right? So if you have enjoyed this video so far, thank you very much for staying this long, and please remember that the movement is on. You need to subscribe, you need to comment. If you're going to recreate this, you need to say it. If you love what you see, you need to say it in the comment section. I need you to like it as well so that many other people can see and know that they can enjoy something this oily in an innovated way, right? So it's time to eat now, guys, and I will see you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being here. I hope you will try it and let me know when you try it. All right, I'll see you in our next video, and if you need other recipes like this, let me know. Bye.